How to request a refund for a cancelled ride. Got charged for a ride you didn't take? Here's how to request a refund on Bolt easily. First, open the Bolt app and go to your ride history. Tap the cancelled ride you were charged for. Then scroll down and select Report an issue. Choose a problem type, for example, charged after cancellation, and explain briefly what happened. Submit your report, and the Bolt support team will review it, usually within 24 to 48 hours. You'll get notified once your refund is processed, and it will go back to your original payment method. Always take a quick screenshot of your issue before submitting. It helps support resolve it faster. Have you ever requested a refund on Bolt before? Let us know about it in the comments below. And that's how you can request a refund for a cancelled ride in Bolt. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.